it's so good to see you. Thanks for coming back. Happy 4th. Spoiled Lips. This is a monthly subscription of liquid lipsticks. They also have a separate subscription for palettes. That's actually what I have on now. This came out in May. This runs $20, but that's another video. It's $18 a month, and you get a set of 3. You can skip, you can cancel. It's really easy. You can do everything online. You don't have to talk to anyone. This is going to be a really quick video since this is all I'm doing. So the first shade we're going to be trying out is Chill. And that is the color right there. Like, that is Chill. So that's what Chill looks like. Not very forgiving of dry lips, I can tell you that. But it looks good. I'm okay with it. I am okay with Chill, and it's working with my little purple moment that I have here. There's like a light scent to it. It's not bad. It's okay. Yeah, I'm not mad at this. I could roll with this. So Chill is good. Liking Chill. Let's wipe this off and I'll be right back. Second color I got this month is called Sage. Oh boy. I don't know about Sage. There is the color right there. That is very, very green. I'm a little nervous. I usually don't go this deep on colors, and I know green and purple, last time I checked, they didn't really work too well. Let's swatch it first. So Sage is really light. I feel like this is a color you're gonna have to build up. It has the same scent. It's like perfume-y, but very light. Oh my word. This would be a moment. Actually, it's not that bad. I can actually rock this. I would definitely make a bolder choice with my eyeshadow, but this is not a bad color. I would never have picked this. It doesn't look that bad. Am I lying? What do you think? I think it's okay. I'm really surprised at how much I don't hate this color. Wow. I'm kind of impressed a little bit that I actually like this color. So the last color that they included this month, Soulmate. Ooh. Now if that doesn't sound romantic, I don't know what does. And Soulmate looks like she matches me perfectly. So let's swatch her. Whoa, that is a very dark brown. Wow. I don't think I've ever seen a lipstick in that color before. This is gonna be interesting. I'm for it though. Oh my god, I think I'm in love with this color. This is like the perfect dark brown for me. I think I just found something I absolutely love. I wonder if it still has that same scent. It does still have that same scent. It's, I don't know. It's interesting. This is like the darkest brown I've ever put on my lips. And I kind of fell in love. This is like so pretty for my skin tone. Yes, yes, I like it. I like it. Soulmate has become my soulmate. Thank you. If you're interested in anything that I mentioned today, I'll leave a link in the description. Have a happy 4th. Bye.